Hello, physics, a wave nature of light double slit experiment. The problem is a very thin sheet of plastic, which refractive index 1.60, covers one slit of a double slit apparatus illuminated by light of 640 nanometer. The center point of the screen, instead of being maximum, which is bright, is dark. What is the minimum thickness of the plastic? So, due to the plastic covering of uh, uh, one slit. So there is two slits. One has a plastic, another one is air and plastic. So this is green. Instead of bright, it is dark. So plastic covering. So the interference, instead of constructive, it become destructive. So odd phase change. So phase shift. So uh, the path difference, odd multiple of lambda. So the change in the number of wavelength, change of number of wavelengths is equal to distance, and this is equal to the minimum, the thickness. So n is the number of wavelength is equal to thickness is minimum if it is equal to half wavelength, half half, because the odd. So n, number of wavelengths, minimum thickness, is equal to thickness over lambda plastic. Minimum uh, number. This is thickness T minus T over lambda air. So this is equation 1, and this should be equal to 1 by 2, because odd multiple, so constructive, and destructive. This is even, this is odd, difference is 1 by 2. So this one, lambda plastic is equal to lambda air over n plastic. So 1 over lambda plastic is equal to n plastic over lambda air. Equation 2. Equation 2 here, then n is equal to T over lambda air over n plastic minus T over lambda air, which is equal to T over lambda plastic, lambda air common into n plastic minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So from this one, these two, we have to find T. So T here is equal to this one, 1 over 2 into lambda air this one over n plastic minus 1. This is equal to 1 over 2 into lambda air is 640 nanometer over 1.6 minus 1. This is equal to 533 nanometer. So this is thickness is 533 nm. This is the minimum thickness for which the constructive interference will become destructive interference. So this is the answer of this question.